Namaste students. We'll start today chapter 13 The Longest Step. Three friends, a rabbit, an elephant, and a deer, were playing together in a park. What the deer told, let us see who crosses the stone bridge first. But both of you run first, elephant told, and I move slowly, and I know that one of you would cross the bridge first. I don't want to play the game. Then Rabbit told, don't worry, let us make a rule. We'll not run, we'll walk. Then another rabbit also, he told, yes, it will be fun. Then they started the game. Surprisingly, at the end, the elephant won. Can you tell why the elephant won? Who takes the biggest step? Act out this story activity. Okay. I sit here. I will find out how far my friend is sitting. So make a group of three or four friends. Find out by drawing lines whose step is the longest. So means suppose you are sitting in a room or in a classroom, you find three four friends and you make a distance of some means longest distance you should sit, and then you start whose step is longest one. Then find the distance between the door and any window of your class. So you think of your class, distance between the door and the window. So you have to tell how many steps or how many hands. So like that you have to measure randomly. The blackboard and where you are sitting. The blackboard and where you were sitting. So that also you find the distance and you write. Then another way of measuring hand or fingers. Rajat wants to find out the length of a few things using his handspan. These are shown in the picture. Can he use a handspan to find the length of all these? So handspan means in by using your hand you can measure. Which things around you are less than your handspan? Name them. Means your handspan, it is less than your handspan. So you take your hand measurement and you find out any object which is less than your handspan and name them. What would you see to find the length of those things? So after measuring, what you find, that you have to write. In a copy, first you write it. Okay. So no need to write in the book, because otherwise in every activity you cannot write in the book, because after some pages, so I'll tell you what you have to write in the book. Then activity, make a mud house, see whose mud house is higher. You can use your fingers to find how high your mud house is. Who made the highest mud house? Whose mud house is the smallest? Make a guess. See these two coconut trees. If the bigger tree is 6 meters high, about how high is the smaller tree? Okay, so that also two trees are there, so you have to find out and guesswork you have to do. So you have to measure it and then write in the copy. Check your guess the length or height of the things shown below. Find the length to check your answer. How long is madam's plate? Okay, so madam's plate, suppose one plate she has put on, so you have to find its length. But I think actually you cannot do it now, because though you are in home, so you just ignore it. Then you find for the next one the name of the thing, glass. So how many fingers you can measure? So in your home you can find one glass of water, so you can find what is the measurement in finger. Your guess, and you write it. First you have to guess it, suppose 4 finger or 5 finger or 6 fingers, like that. Then actually what you got, you have to write there in my result. Then bucket also you have to find. Bucket can be measured with hand spans. So your guess, how you are guessing, and then what is the actual result, your hand also. So how many matchsticks, in matchsticks you can measure it. Then what is your actual result, that you can write. Then you take one table, suppose here it is given teacher's table, so you can write teacher's table also. But in your home you will find some table are there, so you take one table's measurement with handspan, then you write it, and your result, what is your actual result, that you can write it. Then your nose, very interesting. So you can guess what is the measurement of your nose by using finger. You can guess and write. Then water bottle, so you know that every students, they are bringing one water bottle to the school. Okay, when the school was going on, so at that time, so now you can measure. I think the water bottle is with you till now, so you can measure it, how many fingers it is there. Then your hair, that also you can write by using handspan. Or some students, they are keeping small hairs like boys, so they can use their fingers also, they can write. Okay, then next come to the cat's food or rat or milk. So here in this picture you see, use your fingers to find out the distance between the rat and the milk by using fingers. So you see, one rat is there and milk is there. What may be the distance, you can write here. In this page you can write in the book. Okay, then how far is the cat from the rat? So how far, that distance also you can write. Then how far is the cat from the milk, by using the fingers. Okay, you can measure. So cat from the milk, you see. Then next, what will the cat reach first, the rat or the milk? So cat will reach first to whom, to milk or to rat, that you have to find. Then can the rat save itself, how? Okay, that also you can write. Then tell a story using this picture. You can use or write a picture in your copy and you can send it to me. Okay, a small story also you can write. How long is the rat's tail? Rat's tail, how long, by using the finger you can write. Then who has longer mustache or whiskers? Okay, whisker, you know, have you seen the rat and cat, they are having whiskers. So the rat or the cat, so which has the longer whiskers, you can write. Then next another, the page number, so it is given measure and draw. So one monkey is there, you see, draw a leaf 2 fingers away from the stone. One stone is there, you see, up. Then draw a banana 5 matchsticks away from the monkey, 5 matchsticks away. You can draw, and this picture also taking a photograph, you can send to me. Then draw a kite 7 fingers away from the stone. Draw a kite. Okay, kite you can draw and 7 fingers away. Draw a cloud 3 matchsticks away from the kite. Draw a cloud. Draw a bird 4 fingers away from the banana. Draw yourself anywhere on the page. Find how far you are from the monkey's nose. Okay. Then is that so? Sanju and her friends were trying to find out the length of their different body parts. Here is what they found out. My face is about 1 handspan long. So handspan, by using the handspan, she measured. Okay. The next, my arm is not as long as my leg. Okay. Another boy is telling my arm is not as long as my leg. My forehead is about 4 fingers wide. Forehead you can measure by using the fingers. Do you agree with what they said? Check how many of your friends have. Okay. A face 1 handspan long. The arm as long as the leg. A forehead 4 fingers wide. You can try and measure other body parts with your fingers and write their length. Your nose is dash fingers long. Your ear is dash fingers long. That these question answers you can write in the book and you can take a photocopy and you can send to me. So okay students, this is for today. Thank you.